Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the most entertaining and informative product comparisons on the internet. Today, we've got a showdown between two robotic cleaning warriors, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Stay tuned because things are about to get sweepingly interesting. First up, let's talk about the price. Tikom comes in at $299, while Lefant is a more wallet-friendly $209. So Tikom is like that fancy latte you get once in a while, and Lefant is your reliable cup of joe. If you're looking to save some bucks, Lefant's already got a head start. Next, let's dive into cleaning modes. Tikom offers 5 cleaning modes: Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your floors. Lefant, on the other hand, gives you 4 modes: Automatic, Planning, Fixed Point, and Edge. It's more like a multi-tool, less flashy, but still gets the job done. So if you want your vacuum to have an identity crisis with all those modes, Tikom's your guy. But if you prefer a simpler, more straightforward approach, Lefant's got your back. Now, let's talk navigation. Tikom boasts gyroscope smart navigation with a zigzag path, improving cleaning efficiency by 30%. It's the Usain Bolt of vacuums, fast and efficient. Lefant, however, uses FreeMove 3.0 technology with 6D anti-collision infrared sensors. It's like having your own personal ninja, dodging obstacles left and right. So do you want a vacuum that runs like a track star, or one that moves with the stealth of a ninja? Tough choice. When it comes to suction power, Tikom flexes with a whopping 2700 PA suction. It's like the Hulk of vacuums, smashing through dirt and debris. Lefant, while not specifying its PA, boasts a unique suction mouth design that's perfect for pet owners, making it the pet hair whisperer of vacuums. So whether you're dealing with Hulk-level messes or just Fido's fur, Tikom and Lefant have their strengths. Tikom is your standard-sized vacuum, but Lefant goes compact with an 11 inches diameter and 2.99 inches height. It's perfect for those tight spots under your bed, sofa, or wherever your socks mysteriously disappear to. So, if you want a vacuum that gets into all the nooks and crannies, or just need help finding those elusive socks, Lefant's got you covered. Last but not least, let's talk smart features. Tikom connects with an app, Alexa, Google Home, and even comes with a remote control. It's like the tech-savvy friend who knows all the shortcuts. Lefant also connects to an app and supports Alexa/Google Assistant, but it only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So it's more like that friend who's great, but only on a good Wi-Fi day. If you want a vacuum that's a tech wizard, Tikom's your pick. But if you just need a reliable sidekick, Lefant won't let you down. Most of the time. Online reviews for both products are generally positive. Tikom is praised for its smart navigation, high suction power, and effective mopping capabilities, while Lefant is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness in picking up pet hair. However, some reviewers noted that Tikom could struggle on carpets and has a shorter battery life, whereas Lefant may not be the best for those needing advanced mapping features. There you have it, folks. The Tikom and Lefant have both shown their strengths and quirks. Whether you want the Hulk, the Ninja, or the pet hair whisperer, we hope this comparison helps you make a smarter choice. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Let us know in the comments which vacuum you think wins this battle and why. Until next time, keep shopping smart and sweeping smarter. Bye, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.